Mock 19, the VRC section. Now, as per the latest change, now the English section is the first section in CAT. So we start with question number 1 to 34. They belong to the section VRC. In this section, the parajumble portion is a little difficult. The RCs are more or less medium. There are two passages which are slightly difficult, but two passages which are easy. And the level of questions in the reading comprehension sections can be called medium. So this is not really a tough paper. Then the vocab and grammar questions are extremely easy. The critical reasoning questions are slightly tough, and so are the summary questions. So a good number of attempt in this paper would be around 24 to 25 for a student whose English is not the best area, but it's the second best area. You can expect 75 to 80% accuracy in the questions. So that should, clear this. That should help you clear the sectional cutoff. We'll start with the first question. So question number 1, which is from Parajumble. Now here, let's look at the options and let's try to find out a mandatory pair. Here there is the first mandatory pair that should strike you is better known as in sentence A. It says better known as streets in the sky. Now this was an approach. Now I need a noun for this word, this. Okay, streets in the sky can also be called the noun for this, but it's a phrase. And which one or what is better known as streets in the sky? So that should be the first question that should come to anybody's mind. Now if we read, it would be C. CA make a mandatory pair, because C talks about spiraling down from a position overlooking the center of Sheffield. This complex famously incorporated deck access. So CA looks like a pair, or whatever happens, C will come before A. We'll look at one more, and that is under the influence of the iconoclastic Allison and Peter Smithson, Jack Lynn and Ivor Smith designed Park Hill in Sheffield. Now B looks like an opening sentence. Okay, it looks like a good opening sentence. Then D says this sprawling complex of more than 1,000 flats challenged the Corbusian orthodoxy and endeavored to recreate the positive spatial character of traditional working class housing while eliminating the horrible aspects of slum living. Now D logically extends the idea given in B. So BD also is a mandatory pair. And if I look at the sentence this way, BD followed by C, then followed by A, because the deck access part has been spoken in C. And also it talks about the flats were entered from communal platforms running through estates. So C and A talk about the same idea. Now I have to look at a position for sentence E, because the rule of parajumble is every sentence has a logical place in the paragraph. I can't keep our number one, I don't find this pair anywhere else. BD is here, but CA is not there. BD is not here and CA is also not there. Here BD is not there, CA is not there. So in a way, option A is the best option. And if I look at it, E looks like an opening sentence, because as time went on, a new generation upped the level of experimentation further, and that experimentation results in this particular design. So A is the answer for question number 1.